I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device is ready. Check iOS and Maps updates, then enable location services and Wi-Fi. Open Apple Maps and search the place you want in 3D. That gets you into context immediately. Once the map loads, pinch out with 2 fingers or tap the 3D button. This switches from flat to 3D. You do this now so the rest of the steps modify a live view, not a placeholder. Make sure to position the map roughly where you want to explore before proceeding. Once done, refine the view by tilting and rotating to reveal building heights and terrain. You rotate with a 1-finger twist and tilt with 2 fingers. Zoom in for facade detail or zoom out to check the skyline. Double tap to accelerate zoom. Make sure to toggle the compass or orientation lock so north behaves predictably. Use pinch gestures to change altitude slowly for smooth transitions. You should also switch layers like transit or labels off when you need an uncluttered view for measurements or screenshots. You finish by capturing and using the 3D output. Share to photos or take a screenshot, then use markup to annotate routes and landmarks. For quick distance estimates, compare building heights visually. For exact measurements, use a dedicated mapping or GIS app that accepts Apple Maps imagery. If the 3D layer stutters or disappears, toggle Maps data in settings, reboot the device, and verify network connectivity. This fixes most issues. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud and sign back in to refresh map data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.